Welcome back to the Super Surprise Show. Today I want to try a little experiment. I want to see what we can do with Orbeez. We have some little blue orbs here, Orbeez, and we have a red bull. So we're going to see if these will expand and grow with the red bull. Let's give it a try. So I've got a few hundred Orbeez here, so and you see we have some red bull. Let's see what happens. Will that grow? Let's get a spoon. So as you see, they have gone to a point, not too bad, but they're very small compared to a normal full-size Orbeez. And this is because of red bull. So I think with the amount of water that's in the red bull compared to the sugar, you can see that it has not grown to the extent, but still has grown. This is like 10 hours. So there you have it. Orbeez and red bull, they still grow.